What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here and I'm with a friend.
Best friends,
all the way from Spain. His name is?
Nikias.
Nikias what? Molina.
Yes.
Okay, can you please describe your name?
Sure.
Why is it Nikias?
It's a Greek name. My mom liked it.
Wow.
But
okay,
guess what?
Cool.
We're not here to talk about my name because yesterday Apple, they did some pretty crazy stuff.
Yeah, they announced some amazing things. What do you feel about the event yesterday?
We got iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max, iPhone 15, 15 Plus, Apple Watch Ultra 2, the Apple Watch Series 9.
And AirPods Pro with
USB-C.
Type-C port.
Which is nice.
Yeah.
USB-C is here to stay.
I know, right?
Exciting.
Yeah, I heard someone saying like, oh, Lightning is dead, but then I don't think so it's dead, but it's just like...
It's leaving.
It's like a transition to something else.
Goodbye, Lightning.
Yeah, correct. So let's talk about like the first device, okay? iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. What do you like about it?
I like, first off, USB-C. The transition, whatever it is because of the European Union, whatever, right? At the end of the day, we are having USB-C on the iPhone, which is weird to see, but really exciting.
But we've already had like USB-C on other devices.
Yeah, but on the iPhone, it felt like Apple was gonna go wireless before it was gonna go to USB-C.
That's true. Like the portless iPhone, right?
Yeah. So, with MagSafe being introduced, I thought we were only gonna be charging our phones with MagSafe. But
I know, right?
I like it because currently the current state of wired charging is just faster.
Correct.
Right? So being able to charge my iPad, my Sony camera, my GoPro, everything and have one unified cable is a dream come true.
To me, I actually feel that the action button is a little bit useful / not useful because now they have removed like the mute switch.
But you can still put it on.
I still need a switch, right? Hence, it doesn't benefit me in any way because I don't get anything extra out of this button. Like it's not like I can press once to mute, press twice to launch camera, right? But I wish it can do that.
Yeah,
but,
that's what I said yesterday. It'd be cool if you tap, it would do one thing. If you double tap, it would do another thing. Or if you
do long press, and you can do other things. Like you can do 3 things with one button. So yeah.
What do you think you're gonna use it for?
I will use it to mute my phone.
Okay, that works. But it's still better, right? A button than a...
No, because now you have to press and hold.
Yeah, sure.
Right. Oh, what about the camera? I love that it finally has like a proper 5x zoom, like optical. And because it has a 5x optical zoom, we can actually push digital zoom all the way to 25, which is still like kind of clear and usable on social.
Did you know what happens within the ×2 to ×5?
So let's just say I want to use 3.5 units.
Exactly.
Right?
You know what that is?
I am thinking maybe they will use
it's digital.
It's
not optical.
And then digital,
yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So it's either you want to get a clear one at 2 or 5.
Exactly. It's going to be weird because you keep zooming in, right? It's super clear, then it gets a little bit blurry, and then ×5 is like bam!
Again.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's how it is with like devices nowadays, right?
Yeah.
So anyway, next up, the iPhone 15. What is the one thing that comes to your mind when it comes to iPhone 15?
For me, it was the phone of yesterday's event for me.
Oh.
Sure, like the Pro Max is always the shiny one.
Yeah.
But that new design, the dynamic island, and USB-C, just those 3 things, in my opinion, will make it the most popular phone of the year. For me, the iPhone 14, there wasn't much surprises, if not any. iPhone 13 was also, I feel like the non-Pro models have never gotten as much love as we've gotten with the iPhone 15. So.
I feel that the non-Pro version, the 15 gets the biggest upgrade like in recent years.
Yeah.
Because now it has like the professional camera sensor, like 48 megapixel. You also get like the dynamic island, like what we mentioned, and USB Type-C, because initially we thought, oh, if you're not Pro, you don't get the USB Type-C, but no. Every model gets USB Type-C, which is like amazing. And of course, on top of my head now, I'm always thinking of the pink color iPhone 15.
And the yellow.
So good.
And the yellow.
Okay, yellow for Nikias,
Thank you.
pink for me.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Next one, let's talk about the Apple Watch. Apple Watch Series 9. What do you like about it?
I've heard some upsetting reactions to it, but I feel like for me, the feature of the event, I know I'm a little bit biased because I'm a massive Apple Watch fan.
Is it this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so for me, I've always wanted a feature that I could use my Apple Watch with one hand.
Yes.
First off, if you live in a cold area, you'd rather pick up your phone in your pocket, right? You've got one hand in your pocket because you're cold. So if you gotta text someone or if you gotta get a phone call, right? You gotta get a phone call. So if you wanna use your watch, you gotta get both hands out.
Correct.
So now you can just double tap. Yeah, what's up? Okay, bye.
Correct.
If you're cooking, right? I use my watch a lot for cooking, for timers. If you got a coffee in your hand or if you've got your groceries in one hand, how many times have you done this?
all the time.
So this finally replaces it, right?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
That's a very big deal, right? I mean, come on. How many times like this video
Wait,
you've ever done?
does that mean we can use this to do the walkie-talkie?
Exactly.
Like we don't have to do this, hello, what's
Exactly.
up? You know, now we can
Exactly.
press and just do like, hey, what's up?
Yeah.
You know?
It's amazing.
So yeah, and of course this feature is also on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. I feel that the 2 is very similar. I was hoping that there's a black color, like a matte black Ultra 2, but there is none. But it's still good because now the screen goes up to 3000 nits, which is like, I've never seen a screen so bright before.
That's only on the Ultra.
Yes, on the Ultra.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the Ultra 2
Okay,
now.
sorry. Okay,
And,
we're moving on quick here.
Yeah, very quick because we don't have time.
So the Apple Watch Ultra 2 now has the brightest display ever on any Apple device, which is cool to see. The Ultra 2, for me, I was expecting a little bit more. It was kind of the shiniest product last year that we got. This year, it's the product that got the least love.
It's almost like the 15 is like more love than the 15 Pro.
Yeah.
And the Series 9 is more love than the Ultra now.
Yeah.
Right. So yeah, okay.
And then we got to talk about carbon neutral.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah.
Sustainability was a protagonist of the event. And it's cool that Apple is not, obviously Apple is here to sell, right? It's a business that wants money.
Yeah.
But I love the fact that Apple is not pushing towards being a carbon neutral company and everything that it's doing for the environment, just for the act of selling, right?
Yeah.
Obviously that they're trying to sell, but they're not showing this to be the carbon neutral
Yeah, like
company.
they are really doing it. Like
That's why I love-
really trying to protect the earth.
That's why I love Apple so much. It's because I trust in them in privacy and environment, and they're not doing all of this just to sell. They really just care about their customers, about the experience, about the earth. They just feel like a brand that has so many values, and that's why all of this is such a big deal, because they truly, and I feel like they will really make it in 2030, and that's their goal. I don't know if they will make it or not. I really hope, but it's looking like they're doing some amazing.
Yeah, to me, I just want to say that I love the video that they did about the carbon neutral topic with Tim Cook at the meeting room, like sitting at the table, like, okay, and he's practicing, like, okay, welcome to Apple, welcome.
Exactly.
Because he's about to see Mother Nature. I mean, if you haven't seen the video, just go online, go Google and YouTube.
They've watched it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you watched it, right?
I'm
Yeah,
sure,
it's
right?
right.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So anyway, I guess that's about it for
Yes.
everything that was announced yesterday. Anything you want to share?
The Oscar goes to Tim Cook. That's all I'm gonna say.
Definitely. And Mother Nature.
Tim Cook surprised me. I didn't know he acted this well.
He can act.
He can act.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Nikias is at Nikias Molina on
Everywhere.
Instagram.
Everywhere.
Okay.
YouTube.
And of course, need to plug your app a little bit. You want to tell people what app you have?
You know what? You can tap this video right here, and you can go straight to the review of the app that I made that I've been working on for a year. No, it's just directly YouTube end screen, right?
Oh, okay, cool. Yes. Okay.
It's right here.
This is supposed to be my YouTube channel.
It was your YouTube channel. Go ahead and tap it. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.